Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my mascara. So I'm going to be using the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. For this technique, it's important that you make sure that you take off the excess mascara off of the tip of the mascara brush. So once I've gotten all of the excess mascara off of the brush, I'm ready to start applying the mascara. First, I start on the outer corner of my eyelashes. I'm moving the mascara brush from the root of the eyelashes to the tip, and I'm moving the brush in little circular motions. Then I make my way towards the inner corner of my eye, still using just the flat tip. Now I'm going to use the flat edge of the mascara brush from the roots of my eyelashes to the tips. Now I'm going to brush all of my eyelashes up using the entire length of the mascara brush. Now on just the tips of my eyelashes, I'm going to apply more mascara. Now for the bottom lashes, I'm going to add some more mascara to the brush, cleaning off the excess, and using the tip of the mascara brush to add just a little mascara to my bottom lashes. Now using a Q-tip, I'm going to separate my eyelashes. This also will take off any excess mascara that is on my bottom eyelashes. I'm going to use the same technique to separate my eyelashes on the top. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more mascara to make sure that the lashes are laying properly. And I'm going to separate a few more lashes. And now one eye is done. And I did my other eye off camera, and now I'm just adding some finishing touches. And this is the final result. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!